Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that is shared to my channel daily. And I hope so you are watching my video with good health, good mind and good mood. Today I am presenting beautiful medium inverted bob haircut ideas in this video. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way you can get your favorite one, medium inverted bob haircut, from this video as well. Well, I am presenting beautiful inverted angled bob in this video with fashion hair color. You can select this inverted bob haircut according to your hair length. You can give you a beautiful length. You can give you a shoulder bob length, a chin bob length, a short bob length in this style. It's up to you which haircut and hairstyle from this video you select for yourself. I am presenting these all haircuts with all medium and short hair lengths and hair colors in this video. As you can see how beautifully girls are carrying these haircuts and hairstyles with different haircuts and hair length. Inverted bob give you a beautiful and different look and enhance the beauty of your personality. These old haircuts are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These old haircuts are going on trending and in fashion these days. These all inverted bob are going on trending in 2025 everywhere. I hope you like the video today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you can also share your ideas that what kind of videos you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. No doubt, all celebrities and models are getting these hairstyles these days. These all hairstyles are really amazing. You can get your favorite one by taking a screenshot or download the video and go to your hairdresser and take yourself. Keep watching my video. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself, and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Keep remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.